Next project, rear shocks going in. Step one, locate the caps that are under here and pull those up. Little Phillips in there, little Phillips in there. Both sides, undo those, take it out. All right, cover's removed, screws out. I have Thames, so I'm taking these guys off, and these can just be abandoned. Those are out. Next, you can back these off. And with the rear tire removed and the car jacked up, get your 17 mil on there and back that guy off. All right, bushings removed. Now should be able to pull down on the shock. Removed. Little comparison, new versus old. Let's get that in. Now just go ahead and tighten these up to spec. Put the cap back on, you're done. Do both sides, check your torque, good to go.